Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to start the factors controlling setting time of the zinc phosphate cement. So, how we can control the setting time of zinc phosphate cement? So, zinc setting time can be controlled by two factors, that is manufacturer controlled and operator controls factor. Now, first we will start from the manufacturer controlling factors. The first is the sintering temperature. What is sintering temperature? It is the temperature required for manufacturing procedure of the powder, and it is between 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius. So higher the temperature, that is temperature over 1400 degrees Celsius, will cause this slow setting. Second is particle size. Smaller the particle size, faster will be the setting. This is due to the greater surface area. Third is the water content of the liquid. Higher the water content, faster will be the setting. Lesser the water content of the liquid, slower will be the setting. Fourth is the buffering agent. So buffering agents causes slow setting. So these are the manufacturer control factors. Now the operator control factor, that is the temperature. Higher the temperature, faster will be the setting. Powder is to liquid ratio. Lesser the powder is to liquid ratio, slower will be the setting. That is this higher the liquid, slower will be the setting. Lesser the powder, slower will be the setting. Rate of addition of powder to the liquid. So decrease in the rate of addition of the powder to the liquid causes slow setting. Mixing time, increase mixing time causes slow setting. So these are the operator control factors. So I will repeat it again. Setting time can be controlled by two factors, that is manufacturer controlled and operator control factors. Manufacturer control factors are four, that is sintering temperature, particle size, water content of the liquid, and buffering agent. Higher the sintering temperature, slower will be the setting. Particle size, smaller the particle size, they have greater surface area, so faster will be the setting. Increase in the water content of the liquid causes faster setting. Decrease in the water content of the liquid causes slower setting. Buffering agent causes slow setting. Operator control factors are temperature, powder is to liquid ratio, rate of addition of powder to liquid, and mixing time. So increase in the temperature causes faster setting. Decrease in the powder into liquid ratio causes slow setting. Decrease in the rate of addition of powder to liquid causes slow setting, and increase in mixing time causes slow setting. So these are the factors. Factors controlling setting time of the zinc phosphate cement.